Hello everyone, this is Nakash Ahmed and that is my fourth video. And in my previous videos I have shown you how to work on Office 365, like creating trial account on Office 365 and working on Admin Center and then working on SharePoint Online. And in this video I am going to show you the Skype for Business, yet another application from Microsoft. If you all have used the traditional Skype application, then this would not be so difficult for you to understand. What Skype for Business is actually a Skype for businesses, for organization, for employees to collaborate, for employees to have conversation, from both formal and informal, and share files with each other, and attend meetings and having group conference calls. So let's start here by signing in with our tenant account that we created in our past video. You can use your own tenant account. I hope you all have had made your trial account of Office 365. Sign in. So I have just signed in with my trial tenant account and sign in on Skype for Business, and let me just show you what features it has and what are these options. On the top bar we have the menu bar, like it's a general menu bar, the simple file, tools, and meet now and help. It contains the view receipt files option that has the receipt files and the conversation history. Then we have a status bar where we can put our status, like right now I have a nice day. I can even change that to good morning or any status like I want, just like that. Then we have our display picture in the circle here. Right now I have no display picture yet. My name and then these statuses. These statuses you must all be aware of, like available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, off work, appear away. These are all statuses, the normal statuses that you all have must known about. Then there is another new feature of location. Like I can tell my friends and other people where am I right now. So if I'm at office, I can write office here. If I'm at home, I can write it at home. And you can even remember our locations, so we do not have to enter every time. Okay. Then we have three tabs here: contacts, history, and meetings. In contacts, my contacts are categorized in four things, like groups, statuses, relationships, and new. In groups we have two groups: favorite ones and other contacts. Right now I have only one contact here, and but nobody is in favorites. In status we have the contacts are classified in four statuses, like online, away, unknown, and unavailable. So those people who are online, they will be listed here. By relationships, it has friends and families, work group, colleagues, external contact, blog contacts. Okay. The new have the new people who have just added to my list, who are in my contact list, will be displayed here. Here there is an option to contacts and create a group. Now it further contains two options: add a contact in my organization, add a contact not in my organization. The first one, it really simple meaning. It has for those people who are in my organization, so it can be added easily. Okay, they will have the same domain. And the second option has add a contact not in my organization. It means the external contacts. And if those contacts have Skype for Business, then that would be great. And if they do not have, like they are using some other accounts like Hotmail, Yahoo, Gmail, they can even be added as well. They can even create a new group. Alright, like the groups we have here, we can even create a new group as well. So let's just go to the settings and see what settings has to offer. We have simple general settings here, like when should we want to our Skype for Business to open, and our background, helper and support for Skype for Business. In personal settings we have like if I want my sign-in address to be available here as a permanent address, so that nobody could change. If I want my call logs to get saved, I can uncheck if I do not want that. And if I want my IM do not to get saved, I can uncheck as well. Contacts, I can arrange my contacts by name or by availability and by picture. I can even change the information that I do not want to see, like I do not want to see my contact statuses, so I can uncheck that. I do not want to see their names, so I can uncheck that as well. Status, we have different options for statuses, like show me as do not disturb when I share my desktop, like when I during a conference call, when I am sharing my desktop. So if I check this option, my status would be changed to do not disturb, right? If I uncheck that, that will not be happen. Alright, my picture, that's simple, the display picture options. Phone, if I have the license for dial-in conferencing, I can enable my phone conferencing. So now what is dial-in conferencing? It is actually a Skype for Business add-on, and it requires a separate license, dial-in conferencing license, where that the organization have to purchase. And what it does, when we have a dial-in conferencing, we will be able to attend meetings over phone calls. So if our friends do not have Skype for Business and they do not know how to work on Skype for Business, we can arrange their meetings over the call through dial-in conferencing. Then we have some alerts options that do not show alerts or block all invite communications, and ringtones and audio device settings. So we can just play around with these settings. You can just go through all these settings, and these are simple settings. Nothing rocket science, nothing technical. Okay. Let me show you one thing. Here I have two meetings. One thing that I will share about Skype for Business, that it is connected with our calendar application and Outlook application as well. So whenever there is a meeting in calendar application, it will be listed here. Like we have two meetings, okay, at 8 p.m. and then 11:30 p.m. and if I go to my calendar here, here's my calendar. Here is my calendar here. I have two meetings on 20th of March. They are listed here. They are listed in Skype for Business as well. I can create a new one like this, creating by clicking the new, then clicking add Skype meeting, and then I can name my meeting tomorrow, and change the date to 21 at what p.m. at 12 p.m. Alright, till 12 something. I can change that to all day if my meeting goes all day, and if my meeting is private, I can change that. I can check that as well. I can even set the occurrence of this meeting, like if that happens every day, I can change that to every day, and if this is happen on every Tuesday or every work day, I can select any of these options. And if that meeting is going to happen on every day 21 of every month, I can change that as well. Or if there is any customized occurrence setting, I can set that as well. I can even set my reminder before 15 minutes of the meeting. I can even set the email reminder for my attendees. So like this, you have a meeting to attend, okay, and that would be sent after a day before the meeting starts, or even 15 minutes before, or even 30 minutes before. That's all up to me. That is the meeting URL which you are going to use by the attendees to attend the meetings. Alright, they are going to click that. From here I can add my attendees, although because I do not have any users in my tenant account, so that is why I cannot add any new users. But there are groups that I have added before, like academic group. I can send that to academic group, and those members in academic group will going to get an email. Send. So here we have our meeting on 21, meeting tomorrow, and it will be displayed here in Skype for Business. It will be refreshed soon, okay, like today's meeting is listed here, and it has other meeting as well. It will be displayed later. Right, this is the history where I will be seeing the missed messages and missed calls, or the calls I have received. Alright, so that was all about Skype for Business. There is nothing more technical about this. I think you have enjoyed my video. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.